Welcome back again, guys, on how to make this bustier lace dress with Basque waistline. So guys, this is the part 2 of the video I initially dropped. So I want to show you the outcome after joining the main fabric and then joining the lining fabric all separately. So this is how it looks. This is the main fabric with the Basque effect. Guys, this is just how it is going to look. There will be two different pieces all together. So guys, the next thing I'll be doing right now is to join the main fabric to the lining piece. As you can see, remember I said I did not join the yoke at the shoulder, so I'll be putting my yoke inside the dress, then pin down the lining piece and then to the main fabric. As you can see, I've also gone ahead to open the sewing allowances. As you can see on the video, please make sure you have ironed it up to this point as I did on my dress. This is to enable the dress to fit and to sit properly on the body of your client, because if you do not iron it, it is going to have bulges, it is not going to be straight, and the dress will not sit properly on the body of your client. So guys, please try to iron it. So the next thing I'll be doing is to join. After joining the up part by 1/2 inch, I'll be joining this zipper area. Remember I said this is inseam finishing, but the zipper side is the only place you will be seeing in this dress when you open it up. So I'll go ahead to join the down piece by 1 inch, as you can see, and then join this piece at the zipper area. Please make sure you leave a space, open space, where you will turn up this material from after stitching it down. So this is it, guys. After stitching, this is it. I stitched the down part, I stitched the zipper area. I also went ahead to stitch all the way around, but I left some opening space where I'll be turning this dress out from. And this is it. Please also iron at this point. Iron. This is how it is looking, guys. Just look the inside of this dress, the lining piece. Look how it's looking. At this point, remember we've not placed our lace. So this is what we'll be doing also. I'll be joining the yoke at the shoulder area. Remember I told you after joining these pieces, then I will join the yoke. The reason why I'm joining the yoke at this point is to enable me make any further adjustment. Sometimes when we sew dresses with illusion net or net as yoke, your client may tell you to please to tighten up the neckline to make it come down a bit, or even to come higher a bit. It all depends. So at this point I'll join it at the shoulder area, and then this is the side I'll be turning it out for any adjustments or any stitching, any other further sewing I'll be doing, guys. So right now the next thing I'll be doing is to attach my bra cups. If you want to learn how to attach bra cups on your bustier dress, please check the video on my channel. I have a very detailed and simplified way of attaching bra cups to your bustier dress. Trust me, I am giving you value on my channel. If you check that video, you will see how to do it very properly. Look at how the bustier is sitting very deep, very curvy, guys. No additional thing done, nothing serious. Just look at. So now right now will be time for me to fix the zipper to insert our slit at the back. This is the point we are going to be doing it. So at this point you need to mark where your slit will be starting and where it will end. So guys, also I'll be going ahead to mark where my zip will be ending. For my slit, it started at the knee point of this dress. So the slit started at the knee area, which is 19 inches. Then for the zipper, I am going to be marking the desired length of my zipper, as you can see, guys. So this area that I marked chalk is the area I am going to stitch down. From this first point that I marked to the other end is where I'll be stitching down, and then the remaining down part is where the open slit is going to be, and then this part is where I'll be turning up and out my fabric whenever I sew it. So this is basically what you'll be doing in this dress. So the next thing I'll be doing, guys, is to go ahead and check my zipper if I fixed it correctly. Look at how the inside of this dress is looking so neat, guys. Just see how it's looking so neat. And then the outer part as well. Just look, this is the zip I fixed on this dress. This is the zip I fixed, guys. Look at how it's looking so neat. Even the waist basque effect. So guys, this is just it. If you follow this process just the way I am showing you on this video, trust me and believe me, sewing this dress is not difficult. Now it's time for me to attach the lace on this main material. Sorry, I am not going to film how I attached it because filming it will be making this video to be very long. So but I'll try to provide a video where I tacked lace on my dress. So that is lace placement. So the next thing I'll be doing this time around is just to give you a short clip of how I was able to attach the lace or place the lace on the dress. Remember, I have stitched down the skirt part of the lace, and then for the slit, remember to fold in by 1 inch. So this is how I'm going to be placing the lace. If you watch this video carefully, you see that it is not too much of a job. It is just going to take much time, but you have to place it with carefulness so you do not cut out the places that you are supposed to. Also guys, while tacking your lace, please make sure you make use of pins. Please make sure to pin correctly. Make sure you pin while doing lace placement. Even though I did not do a detailed tutorial video on how I placed this lace on my fabric, I actually did not fail to make use of my pins. So please make sure you use your pins to pin down as much as you can, guys. Okay, please watch closely as I go about doing it as much as I can. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please make sure to do so you do not miss out on other videos I'll be dropping. Another thing I want to say is, while doing your lace placement, please look closely on the pattern of the lace. If it has designs on the edges, on the up, on the down, so you will know exactly how to place them. If you would want the designs to be at the upper area, or you cut it out to use and design your dress, then that will be fine. And also make sure as you are placing, you stretch it out. At this point, guys, I am already exhausted from tacking, so I need to go and freshen up to continue the work, even though I did not film it, but I went ahead to pin it down. As you can see, some parts I was able to tack them out while they are pinned down on the mannequin. So I will be going off the camera to go and freshen up and continue my tacking. Already I am done tacking the back. This is the front area. I'll also be doing some cutting as I am placing the lace on the material, guys. So guys, I want to thank you all so much. To my returning subscribers, please, if you are not yet subscribed, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And to those who react and comment on my video, thank you so much. This is the look after tacking the up part, and this is now time for me to tack the skirt area. Please do not forget that for the skirt area of the lace, I did not stitch down the zipper area, that is the zipper area on the zip side, just the way I'll open the zip. I did not stitch it down. So this is just the simplest and easiest way to tack down your lace skirt to the. So guys, I'll go ahead to pin down. After pinning down both the front skirt to the back side and then the sides, remember that we added extra inch at the down part of this lace skirt, guys. Look at the Basque effect on the main fabric. And then I'll turn the back side for you to see. You will see that at the zipper side at the back, that is for the lace, we did not stitch it down, as you can see. So I will go ahead to pin down, but first I will open up the zipper because I will stitch it down. And with this tacking, I'll be doing it with my invisible thread. Guys, look closely and see how I am doing this, and make sure to follow this process that you are seeing on the video. It is not difficult, guys. It is not difficult. All these places that I'll be tacking down, I will go ahead to use the beads that were removed from this lace. I'll go ahead to use the beads to fix on those areas that I tacked down, even though it's not going to be visible. Remember, I said I'll be using invisible thread to do all the tacking, all the placement, guys. This is me tacking it, my lace. Please, for the zipper area, make sure and remember to fold in your 1-inch zip allowance on your lace. Fold it inside while you tack it on the zip area of the main fabric at the back. And then look at the slit side. You will also do the same thing. Please fold in your zip 1-inch zip allowance. Then this is me trying to trim off. Yes, I am trying to trim off this Basque effect also on the lace. So remember, I wore the lace fabric on the material and then I wore it on my mannequin to trim it off. It is very easy as I did it this way, guys. So why I also did is because I'll be using a design to attach on the waist area, that is on the Basque effect area. As you can see, guys, after doing your lace placement, if you do it very properly, nobody will tell that you hand tacked it. So this is the design I put on the waist area and I am tacking it already. Look how it's popping. Look how the waist area of this dress is looking so beautiful. You would think it was snatched, but it was not snatched, guys. Look at the design. Oh god. And the color of this lace is speaking gold and luxury, guys. I did not take much to do this dress, to make this dress. Trust me, it didn't take a lot of things because my client says she doesn't want it to be too buggy, too loud, and she doesn't like too much design. She don't want to be dressed, she don't want the dress to be heavy on her. So the dress is just so simple, so nice. Looking at it, you would think that it involves a lot, but no. Just 1, 2, 3 or more materials. So guys, this is just the final result. Oh Jesus, final result of this dress. Can you see how it's sitting so pretty? Even this 3D applique, guys, the video tutorial is already on the channel. I bet you wouldn't want to miss it. So my clients loved this. She liked it. She was so happy. Look at this place. Just look at, guys. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.